A team of NASA scientists spent 1 week in the scorching New Mexican desert simulating spacewalks, known as extravehicular activities, or EVAs. Jacob Bleacher, a NASA planetary scientist, led the team in testing handheld instruments that might be used by astronauts on future space missions. The team studied in the Petrillo Volcanic Field, about 15 miles from the Mexican border, where the geology is similar to what astronauts would find on the Moon, Mars, and nearby asteroids. Astronaut Butch Wilmore and geologist Liz Rampey start their first EVA of the day by choosing specific areas of the volcanic field known as Kilburn Hole. Then the scientists deploy their instruments. The X-ray fluorescence instrument is capable of telling future astronauts what a rock on the Moon and Mars is composed of. Just hold it over a sample and run the test, and the display returns the rock's chemical composition, potentially answering and raising many questions about our extraterrestrial neighbors. The LIBS, or Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscopy instrument, was another tool deployed in the desert. The LIBS uses highly energized laser pulses to detect what elements are present in a sample. Geologists can even harness light to collect information. Scientist Patrick Welly was using a LIDAR instrument, or light detection and ranging, that uses light in the form of a pulse laser to measure ranges in the distance. Using a GPS, Welly and his team produced a three-dimensional map of Kilburn Hole. While most of the geologists were using handheld or tripod-mounted instruments, scientists Jose Hurtado and Stephen Scheidt took a higher approach. Both used drones to study the landscape. Scheidt's drone camera was so precise that at 100 meters in the sky, it could provide detail down to 1.3 centimeters per pixel.